Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. The biggest question in the West Bengal election is that when the votes of the people will be registered in Nandigram on April 1, will Mamta Banerjee lose the election? This is not only the talking point in Bengal but also in the whole of the country. In this video, I would like to reason out how Mamta Banerjee may lose Nandigram. Today's roadshow of Amit Shah in Nandigram was quite extraordinary. You can Google the images and videos of Amit Shah's roadshow. There was tremendous response and excitement in the people of Nandigram. Please do Google it and watch it for yourself. Pictures and videos don't lie. Interestingly, the people in Nandigram are chanting Jai Shri Ram, which you could not have imagined all these years in the rule of Mamta Banerjee. And interestingly, Mamta Banerjee, who is also campaigning in Nandigram, had to hear the slogans, the chanting of Jai Shri Ram as she crossed Amit Shah's roadshow venue. This is enough to say what type of conditions are prevailing in Nandigram. It is absolutely pro-BJP. Now I would like to bring to your notice the reasons why Mamta Banerjee may lose Nandigram. In politics, it is not necessary for candidates to openly admit that they are losing, but they certainly give some hints of losing in their strategies and the moves they make during the election campaigning. In the second phase of election, there are 30 seats up for the grabs, but Mamta Banerjee has stayed put in Nandigram for the last 5 days. She is not campaigning in other constituencies like she did in the first phase. So, you may ask, what is the meaning of this? So first, you must understand that the reason behind Mamta Banerjee to fight from Nandigram instead of fighting from Bhawanipur, her bastion, she and Prashant Kishore knew that she is not going to win from Bhawanipur. Therefore, they decided that she should fight from Nandigram to send a message that she was confident of winning Nandigram by accepting the challenge of Suvendu Adhikari. But when she came to Nandigram, she realized that is not a cakewalk for her, and therefore she is staying put for 5 days. However, the Lutyens media are showing that there is a wave in favor of Mamta Banerjee in Nandigram. So my question to these pithy media is that if there is a wave, then why is Mamta Banerjee staying put in Nandigram for the last 5 days? you must understand here is that Narendra Modi had fought election from Varanasi in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. These very pidhi media men like Ravish Kumar and Barkha Dutt said Modi would lose Varanasi. Despite this false propaganda, Modi campaigned in constituencies across the nation. He did not stay put in Varanasi for days together. This is called confidence and this is called wave. But Mamata Banerjee is lacking this confidence and there is no wave in favor of her. So this is the first indication why Mamata Banerjee is losing Nandigram. Now I would like to submit the second argument. Mamata Banerjee has leveled allegations against Suvendu Adhikari and his father that it was they who had indulged and goaded police firing on Nandigram protesters in 2007. Are Didi, if that is the case, why did you give Suvendu Adhikari so many ministerial portfolios and kept him in the party? You could have thrown him out. So, leveling of allegations of such a kind shows that Didi is frustrated. Didi also leveled allegations that it was Suvendu Adhikari who planned attack on her and therefore her leg was injured. It was the same Didi who first said it was an attack. And there was a backlash from the people. Then she changed the tack and she said that it was an accident without mincing words. And now, once again, she is blaming Suvendu Adhikari that he has indulged in attacking her. This flip-flop of statements conveys that she is frustrated and afraid. My fourth submission is the threat politics of Mamata Banerjee, and this is very important. In one of the rallies, she threatened BJP workers of dire consequences after the central forces leave Bengal, and this has been reported in almost all the major newspapers in all the languages. And this also indicates that her chances of winning Nandigram is slim. And the last submission I want to make is that the frustration of Mamata Banerjee calling up a rebel TMC leader belonging to Nandigram who had joined BJP for the support is very obvious. So these are the factors why I say Mamata Banerjee may lose Nandigram. She also very well knows that the rural population, like Nandigram, are satisfied with the schemes of Narendra Modi government. She also is aware of the magic of Jai Shri Ram. She also knows if she loses Nandigram, she loses all. This is my analysis. If you have